Okay, so we have a physics question that says study the pendulum when the bulb moved from A to C and back to B in 1.2 seconds. Find the period. Okay, now you need to understand that here we are talking about a simple pendulum. A simple pendulum is just a simple device which consists of the support, the string, and the bulb. This bulb here. Now you must understand that the initial point or the starting point is A. Now A meaning that the bulb moved from A to C and back to B. In what time? In 1.2 seconds. Okay? But the question is talking about what period. What is the period? Period is the time taken to make a complete cycle or wave. Now what we do, it is this. So the formula for period, it is like this, equal to like this, then like this. So period, this one, the time taken for each cycle, and then n simply means the number of cycle. So what is the time? 1.2. Now how many cycles were made? Now the way we count the cycle is like this. So from A to B it is 1 over 4. From B to C it is 2 over 4. From C to B it is 3 over 4. From B to A, like this, it is 4 over 4, which is 1. You have seen? But in this particular question, they're saying from C back to B, which is what? 3 over 4. So down here, you put 3 over 4. So you say 1.2 over. So 4 into 3 is going to give me 0.75. So 0.75 into 1.2 is going to give me 1.6 seconds, which is the answer.